Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Tolbert's physical science class. As you can tell today, I am not here, but I do have my good friend Mr. Ford that is going to be with you the rest of this week. Mr. Ford is a good friend of mine, so please pay attention to what he says. Whatever rules that he tells you, you need to follow them as though it was coming directly from me. If he asks you to put your phone away, then please put your phone away. Please open your packets to page 17 and we'll begin the notes today. Changes in phase or state. This is lesson 5. All matter changes state or phase. You've got to do something with the energy. In order to make something change from a solid to a liquid and a liquid to a gas, you need to add energy. In order to change something back down from a gas to a liquid, we take that energy away. Evaporation. Evaporation happens to be a physical property that at that temperature, a liquid can turn into a gas. In order to turn a liquid to a gas, you must add energy. Condensation. That's when there is a change of a substance from a gas to a liquid. In order to do that, you must take energy away. You have to cool it down in order to allow it to condense. Just a recording. A physical property is a characteristic of a substance that can be measured or observed without changing the composition of that substance. You can use your senses to observe the physical properties or help you measure these physical characteristics. Characteristics like shape, color, odor, and texture. While other physical properties are a little bit harder for us to touch and taste, but we can for sure measure them, like melting point, boiling point, strength, hardness, ability to conduct heat and electricity, and density. These are all physical properties of matter. We can use these physical properties to classify the matter. So knowing something's boiling point or melting point can help you classify the matter as something specific. Melting point. This is a physical characteristic. It is the temperature at which a solid becomes a liquid. Melting. So the ice cube is melting on the screen here. Boiling point. Boiling point is the physical property at the temperature which a liquid becomes a gas. Here you have some boiling water. We hope that in today's lab we'll be able, not today's lab, but this week or next week, we're going to do a lab and we're going to try to boil some water. We're going to be noticing the boiling points and the melting points of high quality H2O. Sublimation. This one is really cool. If you've ever seen dry ice, you've seen sublimation. This is when the changing from a gas, from a solid directly to a gas, or skipping the liquid state, is sublimation. Skipping the state. So dry ice goes right from a solid to a gas. It doesn't become a liquid. That's why they call it dry ice. And hopefully you'll get a chance to do the phase change of water lab. If not, if you don't do it with Mr. Ford, you'll get a chance to do it with me. But I hope you have a good rest of your week. Have a good day.